at the top of the mountain or the pit of the valley, the journey is always going to be the same. One step one step at a time. The longest journey of the world starts with one step. So stand up now. Challenge yourself. Pick yourself up.
Hi, ma'am. Can I help you?
Which color?
Red. आपको सूट करेगा?
No. I want yellow. I look stunning in yellow. Yeah.
All right. This way, ma'am, please. Yellow. जैसे बारिश के बीच सडनली सूरज निकलता है ना, उसकी वार्मथ फील होती है. एंड यू नो दैट कहीं ना कहीं रेनबो आने वाला है. ये वैसा येलो है.
और देखते हैं.
Okay. Yeah, sure, ma'am. This way, please. This dress is a reflection of the sky on the sea.
No.
And this dress is the peace of looking at the ocean.
No.
This dress is like a joyride on the bike.
The first one.
But
I love it. पर तुम ऐसे डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे. I just wanted to go on listening.
so, what do you do in India?
Dance therapy for the blind.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And Dubai?
Solo trip पे आई हूँ.
Here, escalator. Hey, if you don't mind, I can show you around the city. I mean, the same way I showed you the clothes.
Give me your hand. Tomorrow, Hotel Palazzo, 5 p.m.
Hi, Nidhi.
Hi.
Nidhi, Aman. This way. The crimson yellow sun is setting, while the waves are playing with you. The sea breeze makes your hair salty, while the birds glide back home, as the moonlight pulls a blanket over the sky. Hi, Nidhi.
How are you?
You blink for a second, and in front of you is your beloved. How your heart leaps is the Dubai fountain. Moves on a musical beat like a ballerina, low now and now touching the sky. Uncontrolled like your heart when you feel too much love. I see the reflections on the water, of the buildings, of the sky, of the birds, of the aeroplanes. Looks like a carnival. Different people, different culture, different sounds. This water is a cocktail of all. That's what this place stands for.
This is an open space, no?
How do you know?
Music? Echo? What do you see सामने?
Dubai ki skyline. Buildings and buildings lined up together. Like a class photograph in a yearbook. And just behind you, Burj Khalifa. In sabka monitor. Like I was in school. और दूर corners पे सबसे छोटी buildings. Lousy nobodies. Like I'm today.
Here.
ये क्या है?
Surprise.
Now, may I invite our first guest speaker of the night, someone who is an inspiration for thousands, Ms. Nidhi Verma.
Hi, I'm Nidhi. I lost my sight when I was 13. And that is when I realized the difference between sight and vision. What I'm looking for is not out there. It is within me. I'm blind, but not broken. This is it then. I'll bounce. Packing भी करनी है.
Packing?
I'm flying back tomorrow morning. Aman, the way you described the city, I actually saw it.
Nidhi? Why did you hold my hand the other day?
To sense you. Vision?
So, क्या सेंस किया?
That this man is a winner. Aman, the way you described the city, I actually saw it. To sense you, this man is a winner.
Don't be broken if you can't see. Watch the world with your vision. Get ready to travel with Eyes for You. Travel companion for the blind. Get in touch at amanmadan.eyesforyou or +971 4786 7855.
Hello, can you tell me about your initiative?
Get in touch at amanmadan.eyesforyou.
Hello, sir.
Are you Aman?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, how can blind people see Dubai?
By your vision. Let's try. A plane in the blue sky looks down on us and sees the champagne foam where the bluish green sea meets the marble white sand. All those buildings have eyes too. They're looking at the beautiful bodies that are drying in the orange glow of the fading sun.
Can you show us Dubai tomorrow?
Can you come with us?
Sure, sir. Do you know that it's only 29% of land and the rest is submerged in water? This place gives you a chance to experience what exists in the 71% of the earth that nobody sees.
Here. Here, for you. You guys are the first batch with a special package with eyes for you.
Tallest of the super tall rises from the flat base in a spiral pattern. It's the stairway to heaven.
Two months back, I quit my job with a hope that people will believe in my vision.
And Eyes for You happened.
So thank you everyone for believing in me. And just 2 days back, we announced our first overseas trip to Japan. And now, it's fully booked. Nidhi?
Aman,
Ladies and gentlemen, meet Nidhi. She's the inspiration behind Eyes for You. She's blind, but not broken, like all of you.
Aman, I'm not blind anymore. I come to Dubai right before my eye operation, and you look exactly like I'd imagined.
Shit.
What?
तो तुम अब मेरे साथ ट्रिप पे नहीं चलोगी?
And to all of you, I want to say that the world that exists in Aman's words is far more beautiful than what the eye can see. And now I want to see the whole world with my partner in Eyes for You.